I'm Andrew Mills. I'm the instructor that's been entrusted with the MEI Data Center program here at TSTC, and it's just been a pleasure to have the opportunity to help equip these students with the skills they're going to need to fill these crucial roles. For some people, a high-tech career might seem like it's out of reach, but we're building opportunity right here in our own local community.
I came into the program because I felt like this is where I belong. I came from blue-collar work, and I also worked as a computer technician. So when I heard about the program, it was a mixture of both, right? So I was able to be hands-on and I was able to work with technology. That's what I liked doing.
I came across the headline for MEI and I made plans to show up to the meeting, and I haven't looked back.
Before this opportunity, my career goals were owning my own shop to do hair, running my own hair business.
Been taking them from almost no initial interaction or experience with the material and getting them ready to have that foundation of knowledge that you can then build a career on top of.
What I like about the program is that we have students from an IT background, we have students from a blue-collar background, and it all meshes together. After we're learning about the lecture, we'll then do it hands-on. And then if there's anything we need to work on, we'll do one-on-ones.
I'm more knowledgeable, so it makes me want to actually start doing more stuff with the knowledge that I have. I believe that this program will change my lifestyle in a way that I'll be able to independently afford the things that I need and being able to help out my family later on.
There's a sense of camaraderie with everyone in our class.
As a first-generation college graduate, it'll help me set an example for my siblings who also wish to pursue college.
And I get to be a role model to my younger siblings so they can see that I can do anything I put my mind to, and so can they.
With a program like this and being able to have the opportunity to actually have a stepping stone and to have an opportunity like that, it's great.
This is a clear path to a better future for me and my boys.
To someone considering joining the MEI program, I'd say you'll find out it's way more attainable than you think it might be at first.
Ask the questions. All questions are good questions.
Go for it, never miss a life-changing opportunity, and never say that you can't do anything that you never tried.
You can learn a lot here if you just, put your mind to it.
You can come in at any level, it doesn't matter what you know. What matters is your willingness to put in the work and to learn, and if you're willing to do that, it's going to set you up for a lifetime.